The air pump model injects additional air into the ice cream mix, producing a softer and richer texture. Assemble the gear pump by aligning it with the groove and secure it using the pump pin assembly. Pour the mix into the mix hopper. Assemble the pump out pipe and secure it with the holder pump pipe. Raise the air vent cap from the dasher cover to release the internal pressure. Failure to release the pressure before removing the pump out pipe may cause mix to spray out. Remove the holder pump pipe. Then remove the pump out pipe. Remove the pump pin assembly. Then rotate and pull out the gear pump. Remove the pump pipe holder top from the pump out pipe, plastic end cap, then remove the O-rings. Remove the pump inlet pipe. Then remove the pump spring and pump valve. Loosen the bolts and pull out the gear pump cover. Then remove the gears and the O-rings. Secure the gears in the gear pump, install the O-ring, then assemble the gear pump cover and tighten the bolts. Assemble the pump valve and pump spring. Slide the O-ring on the pump inlet pipe and lubricate it, then install the pump inlet pipe into the gear pump. Slide the O-rings on the pump out pipe and lubricate it. Then insert plastic end cap and pump pipe holder top.